as you can see, he's now welding in that support brace. That wasn't nice. Because as you can see, he's welding in that repair bracket to strengthen the area. Let's go look at the other side over here. So keep in mind, we're not paying for all the fancy mics and all that. You're at a real repair shop. And so you're gonna hear all kinds of background noises, guys working in the shop. Let's see down here. Get us into a little bit better view. So you can see where he's already completed this side, and they had 2 cracks on this side. So as you can see, that's right forward of the center hanger and forward of the rear hanger. And so he's got to go back and re-add the braces in place. But other than that, this side's repaired. He's got to go back and finish cleaning it up and painting them and all that kind of fun stuff. And so as you can see, he's on the opposite side, doing the opposite side now. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. We'll keep them coming.